What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be checking out VEVOR's basketball hoop. This is one of their nicer basketball hoops. I'm not a basketball player myself, but my wife and kids are, and so VEVOR went ahead and sent me over this to set it up, unbox it, and review it. So let's get started. So we're gonna go just unbox it right here on the ground. It's pretty big and heavy, so I'm gonna keep it on the ground. We'll take all the parts out and see what we got. Nice bag full of hardware and your laces. That's what they're called. God, I'm so bad. My wife played basketball, not me. I would say you can see all the parts. They're all actually labeled with like a U1 or an A1 or something like that. So the instructions are going to tell you what part goes to what. So seems like there's what? You got the base 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Well, 15. I counted that twice. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. With a bunch of parts. And then back there's 21. Basically parts and then a bag full of hardware. That's what it all came with. And this says 30 kg. It's like a burlap kind of style bag. Alright, well, let's look at the instructions briefly. Mainly look at pictures and then start building it. Alright, let's just see how well these instructions are. It shows all the hardware. Base. So it's gonna have everything labeled. Your base is a P, platform I'm assuming Y, okay, H, okay, so pretty much the basic guide kind of walks you through it. It seems pretty good for instructions. I'm guessing these are for some support for later on, so I'm gonna put it in like this. Go underneath here. Washer on there first, huh? That goes there, this goes underneath and bolts in. Washer, nut. Huh? What's that, buddy? You see nothing? It don't seem right. I don't know how that's gonna work. It's like they want it to go to these holes, but they're this whole pipe would have been turned. is a bit of this one. So, that was stupid. So the holes are on this side. Alright, we're gonna undo these two. See, I already messed up. It's good to show that I messed up. Learn from my mistakes. These are nylon locking ones too. Alright. Let's just see something. I think I might have to just hold it. So I want to do say I had to take out a piece. It was way too high. I thought it would be lowering, or I thought you could lower it all the way. I wasn't thinking. So I took out the metal piece. It was kind of a pain in the butt, but I'll go show you it right now. This is just an extension to make it higher to like the 10-foot range. Here it is right now. So I also did this kind of, I flipped that piece the other way because it was in here usually, and it was like the spinning thing, which raises or lowers the hoop, was hitting on this. So obviously it needed to be switched. The instruction says this go inside with it, but clearly that doesn't work. But yeah, this, you rotate this, the piston, where is it? Why am I? Right here. Sorry, I already have it in place and full of water. This raises or lowers it. You fill it up with water in the back. But yeah, it's pretty sweet. Let me go ahead and rip this plastic off. Ooh. That's gonna be kind of annoying to have plastic in here like that. Pretty sweet.